How to create a profile on YouTube Kids. In the video, I'll show you guys how you can easily create any profile here. So first thing first, download the application from Google Play Store and tap on the open button right here. Once you open up your YouTube Kids application, you will be prompted to log into your account.
To YouTube Kids.
So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a parent to unlock the app. So if you are the parent, tap on Get Started. Now you're going to have to sign in using a parent's account. So tap on Next, and you can select your account that you want to sign in with. You can tap on the drop down to select other profiles if you want. I'm just going to continue with this one and then tap on Sign In. From here, if you want to get emails or any promotional recommendations, you can tap on this checkbox right here. I'm not going to do that. And then tap on the arrow icon to tap Next. From here, if you already have any profile, it will show up right here. But if you want to create a new profile, tap on this plus icon. Now just enter your password. Once you have entered your password, you're going to have to enter your child's name. And then from here, you're going to enter his age. Tap on OK. Select your birth month. Tap on OK. And then tap on Next. From here, you choose their selection and then tap on Select. Once you've selected the age group, you've successfully created a new profile. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.